Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012 Remastered.
So far we've received and are playing entries from
Solomon Islands, Samoa, PNG,
Vanuatu, Micronesia, New Caledonia, Fiji, American Samoa.
and the list goes on.
Wow.
Would you like to have your music played on Radio Australia's FM stations all around the Pacific and on our website all round the world? Would you like to have your song on the Pacific Break 2012 CD? Well, we're waiting.
Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012 Remastered.
If you're an amateur musician in the Pacific, send us your best original song. It could start you on a whole new journey.
When we heard the band's name in the top of the Pacific Break, we really enjoy.
Details are at radioaustralia.net.au/Pacific Break.
Round long Pacific, you Poroman Wantam Radio Australia, long shortwave FM, the live streaming.
Hello, na good night lo you na welcome long Tok Pisin stream long Radio Australia long this Sunday night broadcast. John Papik wantem you long today night number 19 day long August na today me 231 day long yar na igad yet 134 day long 2012 istab yet pastam long display yar I lusimi pala. Hello lo you na welcome. So basi walk lo harem football broadcast Geelong Hawthorn Gold Coast penulako back long football long 8 o'clock to long night time this the broadcast finish long program to the night number long all story me by look Ken long sample all story been making news early long week also long Vanuatu by Holim National Election, blong mun October na last week, ibin kat one workshop, ikamap, long all Mary, long give him all sabe, long government election, na all passing belong campaign.
Five lo mifla potfila. And then now all participants in the workshop, more some, hindi all observers, more some only tamlisin, from all by only contest lo provincial.
This plus story close to na two me play look Ken long story blong piani governor to red long halvi Australia long worry long and long asylum seekers or all refugee to the story by look long all close to na long Radio Australia news na long all story to the long night long week behind Australia government by Kisim report long all refugee center long Manus na Nauru Julia Gerardi talk all refugee by inunap stop long all this plus center long per time na Prince Philip now he for night long long Scotland House sick. Some long story, long news, long 7:30 tete long night.
Despla Radio Australia.
But you may go to music one them hard long kilok emi 2.5 minutes lose him 7.
Me
One talk long Solomon Islands, Sisiva Ben. One them just good long all year. Good long kind time also. Missing you. You still want to talk in stream long radio Australia this plus Sunday night. John Puppy want them you long today night broadcast. Now so you joining this nice play music, yeah man. Thank you too much long. Tanim radio play you come also long Melbourne. Number one story blame long Friday, mi blay bin harem olsem all Mary Vanuatu now ikisim sample save long how long redim all yet long 2012 national election and by come up long country long moon October. Something also 23 old Mary leader long Vanuatu bin kisim all desplus save behind him one pla training emoli bin call him long women in shared decision making candidacy training long Port Villa long week of penis. Vanuatu Department long Women's Affairs have been walk boom one time Pacific Leadership Program and Center for Democratic Institutions and it long Halvim long OSAID have been ready display training. Vanuatu one kind of some all Arab country long Pacific where inokat planti Mary is tab long parliament. That's all now all Mary Vanuatu like senisim desplan put him more long one play Mary long parliament behind long election. Jenny Lego one leader Mary long Vanuatu na hosted by Rasis long election have been established display workshop. Na Caroline Triman have been story one time.
Most lo mifla olketa lo province. 5 lo mifla lo potfila. And then now all participants lo workshop mo some hemi all observers mo some only tam listen from olketa by only contest lo provincial.
All right, so when I'm all something through people been lining lo workshop, yeah?
Mifla go through lo all different presentation it been happen. Olketa lo site lo this one hemi former head of state, where him too hemi signatory lo Vanuatu constitution, mamat lo Vanuatu, mo hemi write them. So him na hemi kami talk about constitution lo mifla, mo struggle lo independence, where ikam kasem lo time where Vanuatu ikarem independence. Mo ikat seti rekan Vanu hem tu hem pin talk about lo side lo inside mo outside lo government mo ikat tu lo side lo natapeng hem talk about lo side lo government lo side lo opposition role lo opposition lo nation hem talk about hem mo kita tu lo electoral office ol kita tu olikam. Mo lo time ya tu isut ka tol kita dona partners te ol kita linopin kam mo kita lo state law office olipin kam I think one workshop where only ranem hemi mainly lo talem lo all participants one now role blow all MPs all role blow MPs mo one only should aware lo him to become a member of parliament. And lo mifla, some lo observation lo mifla feels a workshop hemi been organized, which is hemi organized lo time hemi good, but mifla feels hemi very late lo government hemi organized one workshop also lo all especially all woman candidates or lo prepare mifla because mifla feels a workshop here it should happen maybe last year or lo beginning lo year. And when it happens, they only organize them this month. After lo senaya iko, I think most lo mifla focus lo mifla hemi mobilization from numbers. Most same time too, mifla try hard lo mifla look at them funding lo help mifla lo campaign. And some lo mifla been hesitate lo attend them workshop here. From mifla it feels by mifla come mifla look say one number happen lo mifla but some lo mifla nearly mifla one mifla attend the workshop.
Jenny, now you talk 17 pla woman only been start lo workshop ya na ilukol sem mo lo 10 fala lo by contest lo election ya. Why you think all sem plenty old woman he got like lo stop lo election yeah.
I think mostly because Vanuatu environment or politics, this time also many people only talk about one change. And time if let's have a workshop, and me for one me resem all people that because most all women only all parties only feel them all get and only fry ploni lo plesia se so soli putu molketan they only must try hard to make a molketa you win, but not just to feel the woman after all woman only struggle. Because lo workshop lo mifla looking weakness more strength lo mifla all candidates. Strength lo mifla out lo workshop here I think about most lo mifla also mifla prepare from. Some also looks first workshop been happened Narafala workshop only happened before. They blow caramel ketab lo coincide lo one strong workshop on Sande where especially all ketalo island maybe too strong workshop on Sande he high too much lo ketab but at least only learn something especially also lo side lo public speaking anyone very one also many also you must be confident lo stand up lo for it lo full of people lo talk so and also full of woman also many no easy but also me believe strongly say all keta we only lo party by all party supporters lo keta by only help them all keta lo only campaign lo keta so now also strength lo keta but full up lo mifla also me for one when mifla stand up independent so now also mifla also but mifla make him every way pro mas find good people pro only campaign lo mifla so let me know one is something also 1 week so mifla also mifla feel some lo mifla feel say hey all right but at least also mifla every day at least you winning one number or you try look who are you or how number you raising funds play you.
Jenny Ligo, you play harim to story long Papua New Guinea hem been got election lo June and now we got Nupla Parliament this week but for the first time lo history lo PNG trifla woman now only go inside lo Parliament lo one after one election. You play harim desla too and if so you play happy that maybe all woman lo Melanesia only got strong lo only can go lo parliament.
Yes, me for one me really rejoice that me haren. Me want them congratulate them all keta three way only go. But me haren too say one me come the lista which is me want them try tribute from me lo places lo Vanuatu especially me all women are not to miss like proud long haren and anyone big fella step forward more anyone big fella achievement especially lo Pacific more by me continue lo talent thank you too lo more congratulate them former member of parliament with Carol Kitu lo all every effort plan lo make him say even though he retire lo politics they all hard work for him now so me looking him or you meet them thank you lo all keta lo BNG we only make them say all woman and me proud to have me lo time na we every country lo Pacific you me try lo raise profile lo every woman and me think say BNG has done very very well and me fly lo Vanuatu especially me fly when by contest this time. Me personally, me proud and me look forward to election lo Vanuatu, but me proud lo talent say me happy to have them results lo election or how Afman me formed and me put one when become minister.
Jenny Ligo, one leader Mary Long Vanuatu na hosted by races long election, have been established workshop na last week Caroline Tiriman been ketsa one na tupla this story. 16 minutes, ilusim 7 kilok. Now, so you joining below this story, welcome. Now, close to one story, ibin come up lo week, and long PNG government, it talk right long, halvim Australia, long asylum seekers. na bay mi bla luk ken long this plus story close to
Radio Australia.
Manus emples pa yimi ko long now long side pla music na bungim houseboy. Houseboy, one black classic long yari ko pinis. Santu Teresia, holim han blong kilo go long 21 minutes now ilusim 7 kilo. Radio Australia News long 7:30. Name long all story te long night. Long week behind Australia government by Kisim report long all refugee center long Manus na Nauru. All story I make him news te long night pa yimi long en close to. Total news one belong all refugee story been come up long 4 days per week and long foreign affairs the immigration minister long Papua New Guinea Rimbik Pato ito he got request long Australia long op him back Ken Manus Island Asylum Seeker Detention Center so inokat one per request is tab long paper Prime Minister Peter O'Neill na Mr. Pato one time ito correct long site long politik long halvim Australia long asking long all. Osem yu bin harem long fonde newsman long mipla long port mosi feminanol ibin story despla one time same seke.
Prime Minister Peter O'Neill support him na to Foreign Affairs and Immigration Minister Rimbing Pato ito only like him only must open him ken manus detention center long Laramodis la Salem Sikes is stop past them long Australia but scaling no look him one and need only come number only can start him go long Australia one M country. Latest now I'm also Australian ambassador long people smuggle issues na Salem Sikes Craig Chittick and staff Papua New Guinea embargo long manus one time Deputy Australian High Commissioner Margaret Adamson one time of Papua New Guinea government officials number only go talk to one time Governor Long Manus Charlie Benjamin long tomorrow Friday look run long display detention facility or center long Manus long straight team one Emery only need long straight team or house plus sleep na place lokay or some toilet na up long all display Salem Sikes bakang stop long and so look all same and now on by come up but he got plenty something by Tubla government he need long straight in talk to good na signing one plan memorandum of understanding na melong Tubla country past them long officially only can Salem all Salem Sikes ikam long Manus Papua New Guinea.
Long talk long Foreign Minister Rimbing Pato emi talk also wanem lo site long also sampla agreement or also stop finish.
Talk all the animal display international conventions na too. You know at need long passing law na all go ahead long na display talk long
There has been a request, but not formally in the sense of one in writing. But the understanding is there. At the political level, we've agreed that we will open the facility subject to working out a suitable arrangement. So there's really no need for us to pass legislation. But again, it's a matter for the Attorney General, and I don't want to take over his job.
New Foreign Minister Blong Papua New Guinea, Rimbing Pato. Na femin ose wanem ikat sampla opposition o wanem ting blong arpla line na long PNG lo displa opening again Manus Island.
Yes, one blong man governor blong entity powers pack up two blong Manus ito okay but kisim display ko long court long stop him because Australia na Papua New Guinea government like use him or dislakan something long detain him or lock him or people natin tamoli no making one asu or wrong na two former attorney general na chief justice long country kaya namin ito Australia government pass him law na force him one plus something and tap long Papua New Guinea na Nauru long 31 heavy blong all yet na display talk blong me one time
Australia no na blong make him display kind law long country blong long make him one plus province long Papua New Guinea also member designated asylum seeker processing detention center so only making law only asking Papua New Guinea government Papua New Guinea parliament you're right him so him although what right to make him also make him law finish na biyan come ask him Papua New Guinea government Papua New Guinea government also rubber stepping or talk yes that's all. People are independent sovereign country. Request him must come. People must tell him, debate him, no parliament, no people. You write him, make him sample law long, look south on this kind, sit down or ask him on this kind people. I'm only no line if looking one to law long country, you mean? Only come only go to Australia. Australia, I must look out more. So, people are concerned below me, I'm maybe belong to Australia. Australia, I'm a developed country. I'm got plenty ground. Winning all the Pacific countries, boom one time. I'm got people money. I'm got plenty stuff, man. Now, why not look at him in Australia? And big block question. Australian government, Australian parliament, Australian people, he must beg him. Why bring him come long Papua New Guinea long Manus? Why let him go on Nauru, long Pacific Island? And maybe from Australia.
Foreign Affairs Minister Rimbing Pato itok Prime Minister Peter O'Neill na PNG government i give him support na ting blong all long display long alivim Australia long all display eve blong people smuggling na asylum seekers tasol emitok inokatwan pla formal request asking blong Australia government i kam long all long paper wanem ting blong you
and correct minister correct don't have make him passing talk of mouse that's all tubla Prime Minister talk yeah I'm worried from Australia also Australia not long handling Australia like avoid him moral and ethical responsibility long all night like can dump him long backyard long Papua New Guinea long Manus we play no got money we play no got resources Australia got all got this for something. So why all not build him asylum seeker facility long Name long Australia? Anywhere.
Papua New Guinea Parliament, imas passing one plot long set him up this detention center long Manus or only can talk to Tasol, sign him all paper na set him up Tasol.
No God, he must got law. Because that's why me big issue long national sovereignty, independence, constitutional rights, human rights belong all these people too. So he must got law looks at how me play receiving all these people come to this country. All no come on this country. All no problem long me play. Only come to Australia, yeah. Now Australia like me play kiss him all long. All was him hand long all. Like give me play legally Australian dollars so me play can look at him online. Only come to Australia, yeah. And fundamentally, they're morally wrong, yeah. So much got law. All Parliament really must debate him. Also, Australia debate on plan the year ago last before. Only passing talk not talk. Salim only go long. Manus na naru. No problem long Australia.
Sir, no time. Sam Habali bin istab acting Prime Minister. Ibin got ask him to come long reopen him can. This time government you bin istab part longen only talk no got. Emi true na usa true bin ask him this formal request to come long yubla.
Yes, long this time, Honorable Don Pollier been Foreign Minister long short time. Na Kevin Rudd, na Minister of Immigration, all he been asking, particularly Kevin Rudd, he asked him Grand Chief of Singapore, na Don Pollier, he kiss him this plan, na emi thinking up long, immediately talk correct, na mi long cabinet, he been talk no got proper submission come long cabinet. He got plenty outstanding issues long this detention center before. Na mipla give him your right no you, na mipla stop him. Na Richard Miles they been come and have mipla talk. Na mipla raise him, me raise him directly. Plenty long this place now me raise him. Now not raise him yet. Na I know got formal request to come back.
Say no Lamed, Attorney General before long PNG, they be story want them Fermin Nanol. But you may harem ting belong all people. Me play been harem long Friday, but you may harem ken ting all people long display issue behind long news little long night. Now too I come yet behind the news long one was the display week. Also me play been harem long Friday. Long court I been fine him 13 plug boss crew long display super sailing boat. All you call him Pokea, long Burkim or law, long country. One will all story, he come yet behind the news that a long night.
Radio Australia.
SMS number +61 427 727272 +61 427 727272. When I'm thinking you cut. We will harem you. Time long, mibra long Melbourne, to long Port Moresby, Lay, now I'll have PNG, Brisbane, 7:30, na long Port Villa, na to long Honiara, 8:30. All big news, long week behind Australia governed by Kissim report long all refugee center long Manus na Nauru. Julia Giladi talk all refugee by Nanap stop long all display center long the time. Na Prince Philip now popular night long Scotland House sick. Good night through John Papik Quantum Radio Australia News. Defence Minister long Australia Stephen Smith have been talk government by card report long all refugee center. Long Nauru, na Manus Island, long week behind, long Sava good, long look block all also 1M. Australia government have been silent finish tupla team eco long pine him out, 1M something more only need him, long straight him all past time all this detention center, he can kiss him all refugee come long Christmas Island. Australia government has been talk, he got plenty to walk, all he must make him long center, long Nauru must all talk long opposition coalition, he been talk all place here, he ready, long only use him all. Mr. Smithy talk, only thing, Despla Tupula team long Australia by come back, little time, one time, report long all.
We're expecting that tonight, both reconnaissance teams will be back in Port Moresby, back in Australia tomorrow afternoon or evening, so we'll be in a position very early this week to consider their reports and then start establishing temporary and subsequently permanent facilities.
The Prime Minister of Australia, Julia Gillard, he talk plan long government long strategic refugee outside long Australia in a mean by all losing all istap long the time long all this palace. The Greens Party, he walk long warrior sem no good all by losing all desperate refugee long Nauru na Manus Island long the time. Julia Gillard, he talk policy long government he had plan nothing by only holim all desperate refugee outside long Australia in a sampler yar yet.
The Houston panel is not saying that people should be on Nauru or PNG indefinitely. No one is saying that. They're saying look to the times for resettlement if people hadn't moved.
Long Laraplan News, long Pacific, Foreign Minister long Australia, Bob Carr, he been talk, a good plus something, long give him sample all patrol boats, he go long 12 plus Pacific country, long Harvey Mall, long look at him business, long fish, long all. Senator Carr talk 22 all boat by Harvey Mall plus Pacific country, long look at him display big plus business, long all. And with Australia, by look at him all walk, long straight him, look at him all display boat, now to give him training long all people, and all by walk, long all display boat.
And it means 12 Pacific Island nations with these patrol boats can look after their fisheries. And their fisheries are in a sense their greatest resource. They put protein in the diet of poor Pacific Island communities. And we don't want to see illegal or unregulated fishing deplete that resource.
Me blog along England now, na Duke of Edinburgh, he been spending 4 per night long Housesick, long Scotland, and Molly Walk long give M Marasin long Bleda long Prince Philip now Christmas long 91, he been go long Housesick, long Wednesday, time royal family, he been Kisimalolo long Sama, long Balmoral. Long all Marasin, all doctor he been give him, all doctor too he been asking him, long Malolo, na he been asking him to all Arapla royal family, long knock and ego visit him. He been got all protests against him Syria government long one plus festival long one plus mosque long Sydney. All people long this plus protest he been waving all flag long Lakemba mosque long Sydney. He been karai na sing out na tok long plenty thousand people. He been losing life long all long this plus 17 moon war long Syria. President long Lebanon Muslim Association Samir Dandan been asking Muslim government long President Al-Assad it must finish now long walk long en. Mr. Dandan too been talk long all Bagarab long all Rohingya family long Burma. They been talking plenty thousand people and all stop long this bung all sem all little line all Muslim I go ahead long bung him die long Burma. Past time long en Premier long New South Wales Barry O'Farrell been stopped too long this mosque where plenty thousand old Muslim belong Australia have been celebrating feast belong Eid. Mr. O'Farrell have been joining plenty thousand people and only walk along pray long marking Eid and festival belong marking finish belong Ramadan. Long time belong Ramadan all Muslims in an up kaika in up 30 day long sun. All the hand road long Lakemba only passing mall also plenty people he can come up long pray and harem all talk to he come long big bla pasta belong all. Now long sport, long rugby union, hard work long Australia long winning back Bledisloe Cup, it been booking big bla bagarap long Astenite, lose Igolo New Zealand 27-19 long Sydney. I'm here, Jim Maxwell, he got more.
A crowd of 76,577 saw a butterfingered Wallabies first half that gave the All Blacks an 18-3 lead. And despite Nathan Sharp's try before half-time, the All Black defence and superior play at the breakdown grafted a 27-19 win. Fullback Israel Dagg was man of the match. Carter kicked 5 penalty goals and a conversion to Barnes, 4 penalties and a conversion. The teams meet again at Eden Park next Saturday.
Radio Australia News. You can go on website blamipla radioaustralia.net.au/Tok Pisin. Long lulu ken long some lawless plus story.
Radio Australia.
23 and a half inch blonde bungim 8 kilok. Now so you joining blonde news. Welcome. Now long go back to this story, long asylum seeker, where this week one of the big long all issue been come up and this plus story. All people ikisim boat lusim Indonesia na kamblong Australia. Also been harem the news. All talk walk along come up now long number long Australia na PNG long time long obim ken manus na Nauru Detention Center. Now also long news long week it coming up now. All news you will pull up long display. The too long Tok Pisin SMS we have been kisimi come all people in been easy long talk na ting blong all. Kenny Kala been ring round long fopla all people long kisim sambla ting blong all long display issue in making big news na plani talk long been support him this idea long put him back asylum seeker long Papua New Guinea.
One day long one and talk only minister na only Prime Minister Blomika Lorisa nation in making because Australia only Australia got plenty money na resources na ground. We supporting talk no say Hano Lamat because Mika got plenty only Lorisa Papua New Guinea Mika got plenty something no Mika government now no straighten before any Mika can make him Mika can look out in this whole or line only like camp long manus na long naru. So na Mika Papua New Guinea two in one day no so me as youth me talk so me no one day lo this land na me no alright then what and problem the Australia Mika ba help him all Mika ba look out him all because Mika no Papua New Guinea Mika no damn place long whole so that Mika ba look out him all now but giving me big money na Mika ba support him all Mika got plenty work long making plenty something straighten this nation.
Mpini Jenny been texting kamlong lay. Thank you, Jenny. Already me go now long Ranonga, long Western Hub, long Solomon Islands, na bungim Cliffs. Cliffs, good night, na welcome.
Government law Australia, law PNG, then story with them government law PNG, then one and thinking law government law PNG, then am I right? Australia, look bosim now every island look country blame law Pacific, yeah.
Good long kisim sampler text come long Western Hub long Solomon Islands Cliffs thank you lo you na long Solomon Islands you go long Dagua long we work in long PNG na bungim Lisa mi one ex journalist then me talk me na here me comments long display issue long asylum seeker
lo tinting lo mi at meeting all same now can bol kare mol sol money kam by giving extra burden me you know atina pol facilities or resource me long help him or even lo accommodate him this lagan or something meeting thing also. So me support him talk long lo chief justice lo me for samal me support him through thing long and me plus start give him all back or something long on almost look at him on something long problem long on something long we have too many things on our hands too. More like a two-way thing but only big see more can you
Lisa, thank you through Lisa Blokar Karnami, sub display time long Dagua long way work. Maybe making some comments on Olympic game but display Narabla time. Alright, last play me go along Bougainville because display Narabla side long there's a big talk long asylum seeker plenty people talk no god. But you may have now long low by because low by we side long time long piet long Bougainville been go long Solomon Islands stop long hub. Now here me look long na side long display conversation or display or story no like long end because me talk.
Suppose one party come up long mikla two mikla na long go no way goes him long up long all enough accepting me. Yeah, come mikla stop long ground mikla stop long ground mikla two mikla and start one in times like find something no to come up long mikla. So can you must welcome me more. Me I don't know go from Solomon from time Bougainville crisis he come up. Me walk one time now kai stop now crisis finished now before I come back.
Some people have been giving long me long display week time display news I walk long or even big pla. Closely because long one music that's all past time sample SMS been come long this one kind story yeah Justin long Bougainville good natural you to also PNG in a house kalabus long refugee or leader belong PNG nogan sek long Australia diplomacy dollar good belong thinking blue Justin thank long Stawadam Radio Australia let along night na narat playa ikam long J Posa long Buin Posa good natural you the creation belong God and Bible story na talking you me also M Day Sande, you must worship him M God. Justin Posa, EJ Posa, long Bougainville, long Buin, good block with you na. Thank you so much long Harem Radio Australia. One plus sing pastor long plus story blue yumi come long Vanuatu long Thursday night broadcast long Mipla.
3
Oh yes, several memory belong on Yari Kopinis. Chris Couscous, one time this belong on Yami call him long sore, hand long kilo you up now long 14 minutes is tab long let's walk broadcast from by Ipinis. You go long Vanuatu now. Some little story been making news long hap, or some long let's week. Me play been harem long Friday, court been put him fine long 13 pala all boss group long let's super sailing boat, only calling Pokea long burke mo lo long country na come inside gaman long Vanuatu no kat budget too long pay mo all nupla nes where Princeton School blong all. That's all past time newsman long Port Villa Ilia Bule itok the one them same second long story blong all member blong Vanuatu National Fraudulent Fund like Rausi Money blong all long fund.
Sulukia all member oli ko heket prostana blong front blong office blong Vanuatu National Provident Fund. No start no all action blong kata emi from all allegation blong crooked fashion where management emi mekem mo narawan allegation lo sad long wala yimi kolem one talk system or kita will start no senior position or employ all family blong kita mana all something where hemi mekem say or been go long street long Monday mo bagay lo Tuesday we been karwan big fala public meeting hemi tekem place long nakamal blong kita chief blong address him but mo been go long meeting long Tuesday Minister of Finance where me responsible of VNPF me tell them say government mo both is suspended finish or get 7 senior staff belong Vanuatu National Provident Fund over long all allegation here but one we have meeting where me come up after long suspension belong or get senior staff here me talk belong or get member where only one them karamat money belong at long fund. Emi just no more from suppose you go back long riot no VNPF long 1998. Riot has been taking place no more from all man the political been pusum hand lokatalo VNPF fund. But this issue where me rise again lo this year, emi no more all man the political only pusum only make a more crooked fashion lo fund. But emi long level long management because allegations say only use no good money blow kita. Member of the fund. One way me harem me kat allegations only been spending no good money block katalo all business deal blow. Some foreigners will come and then only go lend them money lo fund.
Now, one fella big story where hemi come up long Vanuatu lo this fella week too. Hemi also hemi no garam budget for pay ma salary belong all kata new nurses.
Yes, I'll get a nurse here just graduate them but one only find them out, only find them say government have not been budget blow and sabi them salary blow kata and make them say after long 3 years study blow kita long Vanuatu nursing school only must go back no alam blow kata blow with suppose no next year government and approve budget blow them salary blow kata then bambay only test come back but and no kita nurse no more you ni harem blow kita manis we and pass finish government have no cut salary blow and them over long 100 million long salary blow kata teacher so and me look also say government have got the little bit financial problem long and me say them all workman long ham.
Before hemi garem samfala tok also Vanuatu hemi been requesting Solomon Islands for samfala nurses for go work lo Vanuatu. This one hemi happen finish or no more?
Emi happen since long 2010 Vanuatu have been maybe look say emi got shortage long all get nurses more all get a doctor and then long same year emi sign one agreement with them government long Solomon Island and under no agreement I got 4 nurses from Solomon Island only been arrived in the country and back again long 2011 I got another 20 nurses from Solomon Island only come back long only go work on different dispensaries, health center and then hospital from Vanuatu. But real problem we have start now hemi no sad no experience no only wala 20 nurses one way me happen only graduate also only must put in some money so some year blow only got experience before government misale post them all men health center block country but all get along 24 nurses from Solomon Island all still serve Vanuatu today.
This one hemi story where hemi been come up Vanuatu for plenty weeks now. Hemi this fella foreign super yacht here. Hemi for sale. One of now latest story lo this one.
Investigation long all police hemi happened and he been looking 13 member crew long Fosea only been appear long magistrate court and only been appear from allegations only been violated or been breaking law blong custom and immigration law only became only coming inside los water blong Vanuatu way no follow law and all 13 crew only been admitting blong yesterday for the law magistrate court say only guilty so court have been make them say and been putting one fine blong each one blong 13 crew only must fine 100,000 batu and on this afternoon now by Emilukim captain don't ship with him one look at a woman who claims any girlfriend blow owner blow selling boat by to like fast banking long low court.
Newsman long Port Villa Ilebule been story what them same seke some little story been making news long week long Vanuatu.
Radio Australia.
Already, friend, you go looking hard long kilokino. Stop now. You make at lick time. That's only stop long. You make talk good night. So you make at some good music long. Straight him time. You gonna have long 8 o'clock time. You may talk good night. You may bring him. Want to give long Australia. Name long him Peter Couples. State of the Heart belong Manyak belong Australia Peter Couples already friends with Tok Pisin belong kilok iron with Pinis so look also yimi ka time belong one plus more you mean kan call na rapla pa yimi sabiat one time Peter harap now this belong car me go out when we call him this belong leave me the rain.
Round long Pacific, you put them on one time Radio Australia, long shortwave FM, na live streaming. And to short long Tok Pisin. Ta short stop back long harem news long Tok English. Good night.
It's 4 p.m. in Bangkok, 5 p.m. in Manila, 6 p.m. in Tokyo.